there, little artists! Welcome back to channel Draw Animals for Kids, where we have fun learning how to draw amazing animals. Today we will draw a lovely horse. And I will tell you the story horse Henry learned to share. Okay, let's go. In a sunny pasture, there lived a happy horse named Henry. Henry loved to run fast, jump high, and play with his friends. But there was one thing Henry didn't like to do: share his toys. One day, Henry's friend, Max the mule, came over to play. Max saw Henry's shiny new ball and asked, "Can I play with the ball too, Henry?" Henry shook his head. "No, it's mine. I don't want to share," he said as he kicked the ball around by himself. Max felt sad and walked away to play with a stick instead. Henry didn't notice because he was too busy playing with his ball. Later, Daisy the donkey arrived. She saw Henry playing and asked, "Can I have a turn with the ball, Henry?" But Henry didn't want to share with Daisy either. "No, it's mine," he said again. Daisy sighed and went off to play with some grass, leaving Henry alone. Soon, it was time for a big game of tag with all the animals in the pasture. Everyone was excited, but when it was Henry's turn to be it, he didn't have as much fun. Max and Daisy were playing together, and Henry felt a little lonely. After the game, Max and Daisy came over to Henry. Max said, "We noticed you were playing alone with your ball earlier. Didn't you want to play with us?" Henry thought about it and realized that playing alone wasn't as fun as playing with friends. "I'm sorry, Max and Daisy. I didn't want to share my ball, but now I see that it's more fun to play together. Would you like to play with the ball now?" Max and Daisy smiled. Of course, they said, and the three friends took turns kicking the ball, laughing and cheering together. As they played, Henry discovered something wonderful. When he shared, everyone had more fun. The ball games were more exciting, and he felt happier because he was with his friends. From that day on, Henry always remembered to share his toys. He learned that sharing wasn't just about giving things away. It was about making fun memories with friends. And every time they played together, Henry was glad that he had learned to share. Don't forget to subscribe to Draw Animals for Kids for more exciting drawing adventures. See you next time!